Hello kids, in this video we will learn sight words. But before we start, please subscribe to my channel. You know what actually sight words are. Sight words are words that readers can recognize instantly without needing to sound them out. These words are stored in our long-term memory through a process called orthographic mapping. Let's have a look at some sight words that are easy to pronounce and very easy to understand. The word I is the first sight word that we are going to read. See this word and read with me, can. Now read here. Another one is the. Now read see. Now you read said. Let's have a look at another sight word, which is my. Now you read this word as in. Let's read this word as make. Now read help. Now read another one, which is but. Now read this word as came. Here's another one, which is and. Read another word, they. Now read we. Now read well. Now you read went. Have a look at another sight word. Read this as what. Now look at some sentences with the sight words for you to understand sight words better. We went to the park. Let's read another sentence. Can I help you? Help is a sight word, you don't need to spell it. Another sentence, which is he said to come early. Now see another one. The sun is shining. Another sentence, which is I came first in the race. Now see next one, which is the cat ran in. I hope you understood sight words. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.